Happy birthday to you. Sing at me.
You sure? And your birthday present? That's so nice. He's like, you need to have more than one, Daddy. Oh, that's so cute. Good job, Linky. You look so handsome. Yeah. Yeah, you're all ready.
Yeah.
High five. Good job. Hug Daddy.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, that's nice. What's up, beautiful people?
What's up, guys?
Today is Lincoln's birthday. Oh, we're so excited.
5 years old. I'm 6 now.
Of course, we're gonna give a kiss. Nice birthday kiss there. Guys, the other kids are at school right now, except for Miss Reese is over here eating ice cream.
I am.
And so...
Typical senior stuff.
Yeah, so today we are just going to be taking it a little bit easy because Lincoln has been feeling a little under the weather. He's had a runny nose and a little bit of a sore throat, and so we actually postponed his birthday party that we were supposed to do last weekend, and we're going to be doing that next weekend just to give him a chance to kind of, you know, feel 100% and all of that. So,
Mom.
yeah.
Mom.
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you saying it's my birthday? He's saying
I'm
it's my
like
birthday,
6.
and I give kisses on my birthday. Okay, it's dirty. But we are gonna be celebrating together as a family at home and giving Lincoln some presents and some birthday cake and all that good
He's
stuff.
got a cute cake,
So,
guys. It's super fun.
It is really cute.
Same place that made Penelope's cake last week, and so we're ready.
Did you just give him ice cream?
Give him a little.
He's like, it's my birthday. I can.
I get some Jenny's ice cream.
Yeah.
I don't know
and
if he likes it or not.
Do you not like it?
Is it good?
He was like, it was okay. We actually got some Chick-fil-A breakfast for him this morning, and
Yeah.
he was thoroughly enjoying that.
You
so
like
that was
that,
kind
buddy?
of nice. Are you ready to go bye-bye? We're gonna go get the kids from
You
school.
don't get brothers from school?
He's ready to go get the kids. Oh, my phone. Thank you. Yeah, I was looking for that. Thank you. You ready to go get the kids from school? Okay, let's do it.
Go.
You know what? First, we're gonna actually take a birthday photo. We're gonna take a picture first, okay? Say hi. Hi. I love you. Okay guys, so we are headed home, and Penelope and Kira told me that they made some friends at school, and Penelope actually met a few girls that speak Mandarin, which is really exciting.
So yeah, we did. They was like walk up and they told me they try and find Asian too.
Yeah, they were
And
trying to
then
find people that
they
speak
saw
Mandarin.
like they literally sing with me like every single time when we saw Asians. We said, wait, what about they speak Mandarin? And we couldn't find it, and then we couldn't find it, so we gave up. And then after that, there you go, just walk
And now you
up,
found
ask
some
you.
friends. That's so exciting. That's really cool. Kira said she met some friends too. That's awesome, Kira. That's so exciting. I know it oftentimes takes a little, yeah, you want to say hi. A lot of times it takes some time to find friends and stuff, so it's really good to hear when our kids start making those friends, and especially when they make friends that speak their native language. That's really awesome.
That's
so
huge.
We're so excited for them.
Huge. That's awesome.
Huge surprise, huh?
Yeah, that's great. Okay guys, so we just got home and the kids are doing their homework really quickly. They don't have much, so just like some papers to fill out and that
Super
kind of
easy
stuff.
week this week.
Yeah, not a whole lot of homework. And Lincoln's taking a really quick nap, and so we're gonna put together his birthday presents while he's sleeping. And you guys know that Lincoln loves books, he loves balls, he loves music, and he loves snacks. So we tried to find
candy corns.
yeah, and so we tried to find something in each of those categories, and so we want to show you real quickly. We're going to put these in these cute little bags that we found, but Stephen found this really cute little soccer ball that's like a little puppy dog, and I feel like that's going to be perfect for him. He's
I
going to
think so.
love
He's
playing
gonna
with
love
that in the backyard.
I'm pretty excited for this one too, because he's really started using like cars and not just like throwing them, you know, like a ball,
Yeah,
but like actually driving them.
Mhm.
And this one makes really fun noises and lights up really cool. You guys can see
Yeah.
that. So
I think it actually goes by itself because the back wheels spin
the back
when you
wheels
press it.
spin. It's really.
Yeah.
I think he's really gonna like this one. So.
Yeah, I think he will like that one a
pretty
lot.
excited about that.
And then a couple of books because you guys know he loves books, and these have like little buttons and music and that kind of thing. I love this one. It kind of reminds me of the little blue truck book that we've had for the longest time that he's loved, and then this one too, which is Baby Einstein, and just has some cute little buttons and
Songs
noises.
and
so
things like that,
he's gonna love that. And then of course, you guys know he's such a foodie. So we found some low carb items because you know we're trying to keep him on keto so he doesn't have seizures, but we still want him to be able to enjoy and have special things. So some chocolates here.
Those little chocolate peanut butters.
Yeah, and then have you guys seen this brand? What is this called? Smart Sweets.
Smart Sweets.
Yeah, and they've got like just little gummies and different things that are actually like really low in sugar, and so I think he's gonna be really excited about that. And so we're gonna put these all in some bags, and then we'll let him open his presents in just a little bit when he wakes up. And I think we're going to order from a pizza restaurant that he really likes. They've got like really cheesy meatballs and that kind of stuff. He's really enjoyed that in the past.
So much.
Yeah, so I think we're just gonna keep it simple and just order in tonight. And then we do have a birthday cake, which we had actually ordered for the birthday party. And then we had to postpone the party since he wasn't feeling great. And so we'll just do that tonight, and then we'll be able to do something different for the party next week when the friends come over. So we're gonna put this all up, and then we'll get up Lincoln.
This is like the best little like
That's so
bag
cute.
with sharks.
Yeah. Oh, we didn't even show them.
These are sharks.
And the little construction
buddy.
worker one. That one's really cute too.
Hi.
Ethan, did you see Lincoln's toys? Did you see the car? That one's so fun. You gonna press the button? Not fun.
He's like, do it again. Go, brother.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Dude is so strong.
This is a song for Lincoln.
I just picked up some pizzas and some meatballs. You ready, buddy? Yeah.
You're hungry, aren't you?
Oh, you gonna kiss? Oh, thank you. So, I think Linky's ready to eat a little bit of food. We got him some really big meatballs so he can like those. And then I think we're gonna open some presents and just have a little bit of fun, so.
Yeah, he's gonna have pretty chill today, but we're gonna be partying really hard next week with all of his friends. And
we got all the, water balloons and stuff like that for the big party coming up.
Yeah.
But we just wanted to not it's his birthday. Like, don't let it not be, really special for him. So,
Yeah.
where are you going?
You hungry, Bubby?
He's like, I see it.
Okay, I'll get you some. Let's sit down and eat, you guys.
Let's go.
You can sit down there. That's a good spot for you. Look, Linky. We got some presents for you. You want to see?
Ah!
Yeah.
It's for you.
Good stuff for you. Huh?
Ready? You want to open? You ready?
Whoa. Do you guys see this? Whoa. Oh my gosh, all of the leaves are falling off the trees. It might
All the
rain.
good birthday wishes are blowing on in. Well, we were waiting for things to cool down a little bit because it was like 100 degrees earlier. And it's definitely cooled down, but like, good night.
It's
Kind of crazy out
It
here.
feels a lot better, but
It
yeah,
feels
the
really good
wind is
now.
blowing really loud.
We didn't want to eat because there have been flies lately, so we didn't want to eat outside. But we wanted to still do some stuff outside because it's just, you know, it's nicer.
Yeah, we're gonna
Better.
open gifts outside and then do some cake real quick
Yeah.
before it gets dark. But I'm hoping Lincoln likes this
I hope he
present.
likes it. So
He's a
let's
little
see.
tired from like his nap and stuff, so I'm
Yeah.
hoping, you know, it's one of those days.
Ah!
Yeah, you like the book? That's good.
Oh, I saw that.
Yay! Books for the win.
This is so fun.
There you go.
Ah!
We like that.
Happy birthday, dear Lincoln. Happy birthday to you.
Okay guys, so the storm is blowing in and it's getting really
So
dark
crazy.
really quickly, so we're just gonna head inside and try to wrap up this evening
Yeah.
snuggled up together and just kind of taking it easy, but it's been a little crazy. I need Lincoln.
Well, anybody
Love you.
love you? Good night. 生日快乐.
Give a kiss.
You gonna give a kiss?
One more kiss. Say, Nana, we love you, Linky Link.
Good night, buddy. Well done.
Okay guys, so Lincoln's in bed and poor boy just wasn't feeling very good today. And I knew it was gonna be that way. That's why
Yeah.
we pushed his birthday party back a week.
Yeah.
And so thankfully, once he's feeling a lot better, we'll be able to celebrate with all of his friends
Yeah.
and kind of do all the stuff that we planned.
Have
So-
the big day.
Yeah,
The big-
today we just kept it super chill, and so I'm really grateful for that. And honestly, we didn't even pick up the camera that much. We just kind of
Yeah.
tried to get a couple little snips and pieces here and there, and then just spend some time with him. And so
Yeah.
it was still a really sweet day, even
Yeah.
though it was obviously a little bit of a different dynamic than normal. So.
Yeah, and I think there were some pretty big wins. Like he loved the books.
Yeah.
You know, he's just walking around like press and play on the
Yeah, those are his new
songs
favorites
and
for
singing
sure.
along. So I think that was a big win. And
Yeah.
you know, it was just I think a sweet day.
Yeah,
Even
it
if it
was
was
a sweet
simple, you know,
Yeah.
super simple, sweet day. So
Yeah, so if you guys want to see the bigger celebration, we'll definitely have that next week once we're all kind of feeling better and all of
Yeah.
that. But we love our sweet boy so much, and we know
Yeah.
you guys do too. So anyways, guys, we're going to go ahead and close it out here. But we love you, and we'll see you guys next time.
love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will